Hi there, Lawrence here from Hit10. Today, I'm continuing our slightly controversial series on the 5 reasons to not get a CRM for your insurance agency or brokerage. And it's a doozy. You don't trust your team. You don't know what your pipeline looks like. You don't know how many leads, referrals. You just feel like you're working in the dark. So the first thing I would say here is there could be a lot of issues at play. It could be management style. It could be maybe you don't have the right team members. It could be, culture, all sorts of things. But I'm not going to talk about that. What I'm going to talk about is the baby steps required before you get a CRM. So in that situation, unless you've got, even at the bare minimum, maybe an Excel sheet where everyone tracks their leads, their referrals, their deals. I know it's not great, but that is always the first step. And that shows at least that you've got adherence and adoption of your process, that people are recording things, people aren't afraid to put a deal in, even if it's, a long way away from actually ever closing. And once you have that and you have a list of everything that's going on that you can review with your team, you can then take it up 10 levels and get a CRM where you can really put all the smart stuff behind it. You can get better reporting, you can automate, artificial intelligence help you with different steps in the process. You can put in, logic to enforce processes. But before that, you have to have your team adopting and recording the information. Otherwise, what will happen is you'll buy the CRM, the nice new shiny CRM, and no one will use it. Or maybe just 1 or 2 producers will use it. And then it's no longer really an effective tool for you. So make sure you've got those basics dialed in first and then add the CRM on top. So hope you found this video useful. If you do, please follow along for more tips and tricks for insurance technology.